Hey WordPress builders! Today I'll show you how to create a stunning mega menu with ElementsKit and Elementor. No coding required. Before we start, make sure you have Elementor. Even the free version works. ElementsKit plugin with mega menu module enabled. Let's go! First, head to Appearance, Menus, and create a new menu. Give it a name, click the mega menu settings icon, and save menu. Then add your menu items, pages, links, categories, whatever structure your site needs. Now hover over a menu item and click the Mega Menu Settings icon. Turn on the Mega Menu toggle and save. Click Edit Mega Menu Content to open the Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens. In Elementor, you can insert a pre-built mega menu template. Add columns and rows. Include images, icons, text, even widgets. Everything is drag and drop, super easy. Build a professional mega menu with images, icons, fully customizable. No coding required. Next, let's adjust some advanced settings. Set menu width, default, full width, or custom. Choose menu position, default or relative. This gives you full control over how the menu appears on your site. To make sure your mega menu shows in your site header, create a header template using ElementsKit's Header Builder. Once everything is set, hit Update and view your live mega menu in action. Stylish, responsive, and user-friendly. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more no-code WordPress tips. Drop a comment for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.